What the gyro act as in a strap-down system? A. Angular rate sensors. B. Null sensors. C. Angle indicators. D. Orientation indicators. The correct answer is angular rate sensors. Which one of the following is not a purpose of strap-down calculations? A. Calculate vehicle's attitude. B. Transform accelerometer measurements into navigational coordinates. C. Perform dead reckoning computations. D. Provide inputs to a data computer. The correct answer is provide inputs to a data computer. Pre-processing algorithms are also called as A. Coning algorithm. B. Error control algorithm. C. Differential algorithm. D. Resolution algorithm. The correct answer is Coning algorithm. Which of the following is a 4-element entity consisting of a scalar and a vector and is used to describe strap-down system rotation? A. Directional cosines. B. Directional sines. C. Quaternion. D. Quaternion. The correct answer is quaternion. Which of the following factors affect the ability of a stable element to remain non-rotating relative to space? A. Drift rate of the reference gyro. B. Accuracy of gyro torque. C. Linear motion of the vehicle. D. Orthogonality of the components on the platform. The correct answer is linear motion of the vehicle. In which type of inertial navigation system are the gyro and accelerometer rigidly mounted to the body? A. Gimballed system. B. Fixed system. C. Strap-down system. D. Void system. The correct answer is strap-down system. Why is the gyro and accelerometers shock mounted to the body? A. Impact protection. B. Reduce drift error. C. Prevent voltage surges. D. Limit vibration errors. The correct answer is limit vibration errors. When does a gimbal lock occur on a 3-axis platform? A. Inner gimbal approaches 90. B. Inner gimbal approaches 0. C. Outer gimbal approaches 90. D. Middle gimbal approaches 90. The correct answer is middle gimbal approaches 90. What does the quaternion integration algorithm use to control error? A. Linearization constraint. B. Normalization constraint. C. Differential constraint. D. Integral constraints. The correct answer is normalization constraint. What type of error occurs if the axis of rotation is moving in space? A. Linearization errors. B. Control error. C. Coning error. D. Differential error. The correct answer is coning error. Which of the following is false with respect to gimbal platform? A. Orients the accelerometers into a coordinate frame relative to Earth. B. Euler angles are not easily readable from the gimbals. C. Protect the instruments from large angular motion. D. Protection from vibration, temperature, and magnetic effects. The correct answer is Euler angles are not easily readable from the gimbals. In any order of gimbal, the innermost gimbal has unlimited freedom. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Sculling errors occur when rotation and acceleration are combined. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.